Hi children, in previous class we have learned the poem Pink Jelly Bean and today we are going to discuss the question answers. Okay, I request all of you to open your textbook page number 16. 16, see 4 question answers are given there, we discuss it. Okay, see which word has the poet used repeatedly to create the mystery around the house? Which word has the poet used repeatedly to create the mystery around the house? See, one word, poet had used one word repeatedly. Many times he used one word in this poem. Repeatedly he used a word in this poem. Which word it is? Do you know which word it is? Can you say? Dark. Right. He had used many times dark. The word dark he used many times in this poem. How many times we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think nearly 25 times he had used this word dark. Right. That is the word. Dark is the word the poet used repeatedly in the poem. Right. See. The poet has used the word dark repeatedly to create the mystery around the house. He used the word dark to create the mystery around this house. See, dark in the it is road. First, the poem is starting with the word road, right? At the end of the road, end of the dark road, right? Dark road, dark path, dark house, dark door, then dark room, dark hall, dark stairs, then dark balcony, then dark room, dark closet, then dark attic. Everything was dark, right? Everything was dark in the poem, right? So the poet has used the word dark. Why did he use this word dark? Why? Because to create the mystery around the house. Something mystery is there in the house. He want to create that mystery in our mind. Okay, so that he used the word dark repeatedly. Many times he used the word dark in the poem. Okay, next, second question. Where is the dark balcony located in the house? Where is the dark balcony located in the house? Where it is? Behind the dark door, what was there? There was a dark hall. Yes. Behind the dark door, what is there? Behind the dark door, the single dark door is a long dark hall. At the end of the long dark hall, there is a long dark hall or some dark stairs, right? And at the top of the dark stairs, what is there? There is a dark balcony. So, where is the dark balcony located in the poem? The dark balcony is located at the top of the tall dark stairs, right? The dark balcony is located, and I told you yesterday, when we open the dark door, first door where he saw the house has a single door, and when we open this dark single door, we can see there a dark hall, right? At the end of this dark hall, what is there? There is a tall dark stairs. Tall dark stairs, right? And at the top of this tall dark stairs, what is there? There is a dark balcony. Where is the dark balcony located in the poem? The dark balcony is located in the tall dark stairs. Yes. What is the answer? The dark balcony is located at the top of the tall dark stairs. At the top of the tall dark stairs. And next, third question. On which floor of the house is the attic located? On which floor? Attic in the sense the space or room under the roof. There we can keep things like store room or store space it is, right? See what is the question. On which floor of the house is the attic located? The attic is located on the second floor. Attic is located on the second floor. How can we know it is second floor? See, when we enter to the hall, first when we enter to the hall, at the end of the hall there is a dark stairs. When we climb the stairs, what is there? Dark balcony is there. When we climb up, it is, we are climbing from ground floor to next floor, right? Stairs are there now. So it is, there is a dark balcony, that is second floor, right? Balcony also in second floor. When we climb up, we can see there dark balcony. That balcony also in the second floor. And in second floor, what are the things are there? Then there is a big dark room. And in that big dark room, what is there? There is a closet, and again what is there? Stair is there, right? To the attic. That attic to the again from closet, what is there? Stairs are there, and these stairs are making us to reach to the attic, right? So that attic is in second floor, we can say. Okay, the attic is located in the second floor. Attic is located in the second floor. What is attic? Attic in the sense, attic is a storing space or storeroom which is located under the roof of the house. Which is located under the roof of the house. Okay. Next. Were you curious to know what was in the dark box? How did the poet manage to make you curious? See, in the dark box, there in the attic, there was a big dark box, and what was inside? Inside also there was a small dark box. What is there in the small box? We were not knowing first, right? We were curious about knowing the thing, what is there in the dark box, right? See, the poet built a long story with ongoing mystery around the box to build up the curiosity about its content. See, for finding this jelly bean, what is there in the box? Jelly bean is there. For saying it, he made a long story, right? Poet made a long story for finding the jelly bean. He wants to say there is a box. In that box, what is there? A jelly bean is there. For saying that, he made a long story. From first, how it is, there was a dark, at the end of the dark door, there is a dark path, and at the end of the dark path, there is a dark house. For this dark house, there is a single dark door, and behind this dark door there is a dark hall, and at the end of this dark hall there is a dark stairs, a tall dark stairs, and at the top of the dark stairs there is a dark balcony, At the end of the dark balcony there is a dark room, and at the end of this dark room there is a dark closet, and at the end of this dark closet there is a dark stairs. At the top of this dark stairs there is an attic. In the attic what is there? There is a big dark box, and in the big dark box there is a small dark box, and in the small dark box there is a pink jelly bean. For saying this, in the box what is there? Pink jelly bean is there. For saying this, he made a long story, right? Why? Because he wanted to make curiosity in our mind, so he made a big story, right? See, these 4 question answers you have to write in your notebook. Okay, 4 question answers are there. You write, I will send answers along with this video. Read and write neatly these 4 questions and answers, and take a photo and send to me. This is your today's homework. Okay.